Hey gang, got something cool to show to you today. I just got this bag. This is the 519 fitness bag. Let me tell you, this is more than a fitness bag. This is a travel bag. This is a gym bag. This is a work bag. This really has every need that you have covered as far as a bag goes. So I'm going to show you what this thing has to offer. I'm going to get to the front here at the end because that's probably the most exciting part to me. What you can see here at the top, these pockets get bigger as you go back. So variety of different pockets here. As you get farther back, you can fit your phone here. You can fit a very small tablet or an iPad mini there. You get back a little farther, you've got enough room for a full-size iPad. You get to the back, that's where you put your big toys. You can fit up to a 17-inch laptop in there, books, binders, papers, whatever you need, you can fit in there. If you're traveling, great place to put clothes, great place to put your overnight. I use this as an overnight bag. On the side, we've got all kinds of other pockets here for ancillary things. We've got place for pens. We've got other small zip pockets here, and these are all really sturdy zippers with paracord rip cords. On the side here, we've also got a water bottle holder that is adjustable, and it's got a toggle on it. So if you have a big water bottle, it'll fit in there and expand. And if you have a small water bottle, you can tense it up, you can hold it in there, and then it all just tucks back in there. So that's pretty cool. On the other side, we've got another small pocket here. It's actually a second water bottle holder. So if you are traveling for two, you can have a second water bottle. And then up here, this is where your technological people come in. This is a charger built in. So if you've got a power brick, you can put it inside, hook it up to that, USB, charge your phone right there. It's standard USB, so whatever kind of charger you have, as long as it goes from USB, you can charge her up. All right, so now, what's cool about this bag? Why do they call this a fitness bag? Well, if you are going to the gym, if you are working out, you're probably meal prepping as well. This thing comes locked and loaded for you meal preppers. We have an aluminum lined lunchbox style cavity here. Super cool. This comes with 6 meal prep containers, as well as 2 ice packs ready to go. So you basically take these out, wash them, we're ready to meal prep, and we are ready to go. Comes with a divider in there that comes out as well. If you are traveling, this would be great for picnic, hiking. If you're going to the gym, I mean, you can throw in a meal, you can throw in your protein shakes, you can throw in just about anything you might need. So this is the 519 fitness bag, and I cannot wait to use this for many applications, whether it be travel, the gym. Heck, I think I'm even going to use this to go to work, take my computer and my lunch all in one bag. So really cool. That's all for today, guys.